Need a screwdriver and 8mm T-wrench. This one. First, we will unscrew this one. This one. This one. To remove the cover. Now we will disconnect the negative battery. Now next we will remove this lock to open the stator coil. You must put a oil pan like this to catch the oil when opening the cover. Remove first this one, the cover, 10mm. This one is 8mm. 8 bolt. So we have 8 bolts. The longer one is located here and here. So let it drain few oils. So you just need to tap this one. Remove. So this is the stator coil assembly. So there is a leak. The sail is broken. This one. So after we clean this one, we will now put a silicone to seal the leak. You can use this one to seal the leak. Silicone band. So we already put the silicone. Now we will put it back. So we will now clean this one. So put back first the long one. This one. Here. Then this one. So let us now check the oil level. So let us first try to return the negative battery to test. There is a leak. So it's now done. Thank you for watching.